Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. And I make videos on hairstyles, beauty and more. Recently I'm uploading DIY videos as well. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Coming to the first hairstyle, flip your hair upside down like so. Taking 3 strands and braiding it reversely by adding hair on both sides of the braid. That is by taking your left strand under the middle and adding hair to the middle strand, and taking your right strand under the middle strand, adding hair to the middle strand. Add hair to the middle strand from the underside of your left strand. Repeat the same steps until you reach the top, where you're gonna tie your ponytail. Stop my braid here and start pulling the braid so that it looks fuller. And then I'm gonna tie all my hair into a ponytail. And make any kind of bun you would like to do. I'm gonna just wrap the bun like so. I'm gonna make a loose bun. And that's it with the first hairstyle. This is how it looks from the back. If you want to add some cuteness to the bun, then you can add any type of scrunchies. Coming to the second hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair in the middle and take a small section from the front like so and do a Dutch braid. Make sure you're going to add a small portion of hair to the braid. Take your left section under the middle, add some hair, and take your right section under the middle, add some hair to the middle section from the underside. Repeat the same steps. I'm gonna stop adding hair in midsection and continue to braid my hair like so. And this is the best trick to braid your hair. I'm going to repeat the same steps on the left side of my hair. All your hair into a ponytail by leaving both the braids and wrap it into a bun like so. Wrap both the braids on the bun. And nicely secure it with a pin. And that's it with the second hairstyle. third hairstyle. Take all your hair into a ponytail and make any kind of bun you would like. And take your headband, wrap it onto the bun like so. And this is the easiest and cute hairstyle. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.